Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you are all well and your studies are going on well. This will be a very short video where I will address a solution that I did of question number 1 in the set 4 of 5 good problems on the chapter of polygons. The solution was incorrect even though the answer was correct, but the method of solution was incorrect. That I will address. I will solve it again in this video. So, if you have not watched the set 4 video of solving 5 good problems, I strongly suggest that you please watch that video, and you will have a good practice of uh, uh, relatively harder problems that will evaluate your understanding of the concept of polygons. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so as you can see, on the right hand side, this was the solution, my solution uh, of question number 1. The question number 1, which says that number of sides of polygons P1 and P2 are in the ratio 2:3. If the sum of interior angles of both P1 and P2 together is 1980 degree, then how many diagonals P1 has? That is, if the sum of all the interior angles of P1 and P2 taken together is 1980 degree, then what will be the number of diagonals of the polygon P1? Okay, so to know the number of diagonals in a polygon, we need to know its number of sides. Then only we can apply the formula n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Now, in the solution, as you can see, so since the ratio of the number of sides of P1 and P2 were given to be 2:3, we assume that let the number of sides of P1 and P2 be 2x and 3x respectively. That is fine. And but for P1, I wrote that this is incorrect. This is a totally incorrect concept. The sum of interior angles of a polygon, of a convex polygon of n sides, is 180 degree into n minus 2. This equality, it is never equal to 360 degree. So uh, let me, so this was wrong, this is this, it will be this, and for P2 similarly it will be this. The sum, so for P1, I should say the sum of interior angles, which I always abbreviate as SOI. SOI means sum of interior angles. So for the polygon P1 having number of side as 2x based on the ratio, it's the sum of interior angles will be 180 degree multiplied by 2x minus 2, because the formula is 180 degree multiplied by n minus 2. Similarly, for P2 it will be 180 degree SOI. Sum of interior angles for P2, polygon P2, will be 180 degree into 3x minus 2. Now, let me delete all the remaining part of the solution. Now, it is given that, that's why I was wondering how come I could not use the fact that the sum of the interior angles of P1 and P2 both is 1980 degree. So we have this. Now it is given that the sum of the interior angles of P1 and P2 taken together is 1980 degree. Hence, so we must have now 180 degree multiplied by 2x minus 2 plus 180 degree multiplied by 3x minus 2 is given to be equal to 1980 degree. Okay. Now, if I take 180 degree from the left hand side, if I take 180 degree common, I have 2x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2. This is equal to 1980 degree. Okay. This implies, after further simplification of the LHS, I have 2x. I have 2x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 1980 degree. Sorry, simplifying further, the left hand side I get 2x plus 3x is 5x and minus 4 is equal to 980 degree. This implies we have 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4 should be equal to 1980 degree divided by 180 degree. This is equal to 1980 by 180. I hope it should divide. Yeah, so it is 11. So we have 5x minus 4 is equal to 11. So this implies 5x will be equal to 11 plus 4, which is 15, and this implies x is equal to 15 by 5, which is 3. So x is 3. So we have to find the number of diagonals of P1. So we need to find the number of sides of P1. So therefore we can say number of sides of P1 is equal to, based on the assumption of the ratio, it will be 2x. So 2x, which is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6, which is equal to 6. Okay. Now let me, there is no space left. Let me write the remaining solution over here. Okay, so we have the number of sides of P1 is coming out to be 6. So therefore number of diagonals of P1 is equal to, the formula is n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So 6 into 6 minus 3 divided by 2, this is 9. Okay, so the correct choice was, even though in the earlier solution the answer was correct, but the way of the solution was incorrect. The method of solution was incorrect, wrong concept was used. So this was a very short video. I was seeing the video and I thought, how come the sum of the interior angles of P1 and P2 was not used? Something was wrong. Then I looked at the solution and I saw that I did a serious mistake. Anyway, I hope this video will be beneficial and will clarify any kind of confusion that you might have in my solution. So thanks for watching, and until the next video, take care and bye.